The Science Trek, Class 3. Chapter 3, Soil. Soil is the upper layer of the earth on which the plants grow. Long ago, the land was mostly solid rock. The action of sun, rain, wind, and changing weather conditions over millions of years broke the rocks to form tiny grains of soil that we see today. The different stages of soil formation. First, the sun heats the rocks. The rain cools those rocks. Then there is continuous heating, cooling, and wind breaks rocks into small pieces. Small rocks become fine soil where plants live and grow. Here's a fascinating fact. One handful of soil has billions of organisms in it. Why don't you take an eco-friendly tip from us? We can dispose our food waste in the garden soil to make them natural fertilizers. Now let's discuss what does soil contain. Here's a picture. Soil is usually made up of the following things: humus, soil, and bits of rock. The composition of soil is like this. It contains 45% minerals, 5% humus, 25% air, and 25% water. The top layer of the soil is the humus. It consists of remains of leaves, dead animals, or insects. They make the soil fertile so plants grow well. The next layer is the soil. The third layer is the bed of small rocks. Air and water remain at this layer. Plants use this water and air through their roots. How many different types of soils are there? Soils found in different places are different. This is because they're made from different kinds of rocks. The color of the soil depends on the mineral present in the rocks. There are three main types of soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is rough and yellow in color. The sand particles are large. Sand holds very little water. It is often dry. Not many plants can grow in it. It is found in deserts and on seashores. Then you have clayey soil. Clayey soil is golden brown in color. It is made up of very small particles and therefore feels smooth. The pore spaces are very small, so it holds lots of water. It remains wet and sticky. There is no air between the particles either. Clay soil is also not good for plants. Clay is used for making pots and toys. Then there is loamy soil. Loamy soil is dark brown in color. It is a mixture of sand and clayey soil. Its particles are smaller than sandy soil. It contains a lot of humus. It holds the right amount of air and water. It is the best type of soil for growing plants. Loamy soil is usually found in forests, gardens, and parks. The pore spaces in loamy soil are smaller than sandy. Type of soil. Number 1. Sandy. It is yellow. It has large particles, does not hold water. Then the clayey soil, which is golden brown. It has small particles and holds lots of water. Loamy soil is dark brown in color, which is a mixture of sand and clayey soil. It holds some water and allows rest to flow. Soil layers. Soil is made up of many layers. These layers are often called horizons. Depending on the type of soil, there may be several layers. The main layers are organic layer, topsoil, subsoil, parent material, and bedrock. Importance of soil. Soil is important for all living things. Plants take water and minerals from the soil to grow and make food. Humans and all other animals depend on the food made by plants. Some animals, such as earthworms and ants, make their home in the soil. Almost everything that we use in our homes comes from soil or from the plants that grow in the soil. We depend on the soil for metals, clothes, petrol, furniture, and a number of other things around us. Crops and soil. Different plants need different types of soil to grow. Some need sandy oil, others need clayey oil. Most plants grow well in loamy soil. All plants grow well if manure is added to the soil. Manure contains a lot of humus which makes the soil fertile. Here's a life skill for you. Prepare a poster to encourage people to grow trees. Write an effective slogan too with the help of your parent.